whole mess on this table right now. So I'm making part 2 of my 80s nostalgia soap, which are roller skates. Because I'm putting this in a white base, I have coated the outside with a mix of white and pink, so they hopefully stand out. I have a white base, a little bit of a light pink I'm just going to swirl lightly, and black hearts that I will put in. So I'm just going to get going. I'm using Flamingo Zest from Nature's Garden. It does not discolor supposedly, but it does accelerate slightly. So I'm just going to kind of work hard and not talk so I can get everything in without any issues, and hopefully everything goes smoothly. So sit back, enjoy, and let's hope that this goes as planned. Let's cut this and see what the inside gives me. Hopefully it's cute. Okay, here we go. Oh, yay. I knew my hearts were shifting every which way, and I was just like, oh well. I like the pink mica line. The pink ones don't stand out quite as much. These elements, probably if I had coated those in black, it would have been better, but not much I can do now. So, but see, this was my childhood. I had roller skates, I don't know, from grade school through high school. I still used to roller skate in 10th and 11th grade. So I loved roller skating, and that's kind of how it transferred over into ice skating, figure skating. But okay, so this is one where I had 2 small pieces, or small skates. So I paired them together. And that one's cute too. I said I'm a little bummed that the pink is just not showing up quite as strongly. I mean, if you're looking at it up close, you can definitely tell. On this video, it looks washed out, so I don't know how much is actually showing up. I love the black hearts, and I love these skates. Oh, I got a little bit of an air gap under that. That was the very end piece. Like, I like it. It's coming together. So this is soap 2. So we have yesterday's bubblegum, which smells so much like bubblegum. It's just super cool. We have today's roller skate, which is, I scented in flamingo zest, and it's just like this bold, fruity, just totally reminds me of my childhood. So I like it. I'm happy with the scent. I'm still I'm making the 3rd design today, and I still haven't made a firm decision on the fragrance, but I'll have to pick that out soon. So, but yeah, so there are the first 2 in the set, and set 3 is coming, and this will be again a 3-bar set of 80s and 90s nostalgia.